Azcocorp designed and manufactured a custom pouch dispenser with an unwind assembly and pneumatic high-consistency escapement, mounted on an adjustable equipment stand. The roll of material is placed on a motorized unwind. From the unwind, the material is guided into traction belts. Traction belts securely hold the material. An optic system built into the knife cartridge detects a seal between the pouches and signals the unit to cycle. Once the material is indexed to the proper location, the knife cartridge cuts the material. The escapement has a trap door to ensure the material is placed accurately. The exit chute turns the material to the horizontal plane. A trigger eye monitors the process to ensure a desiccant is in position and drops before the next cycle. The unit has a color touchscreen for easy setup and operation. Please give us a call to discuss your application.